Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're having a wonderful day and that you are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing a DAVIDsTEA haul. DAVIDsTEA had a 30% off autumn fall teas and I was so excited to participate. As you may remember from my last DAVIDsTEA video, I had just stocked up on some Halloween and fall teas, and when this sale came out, it couldn't be at a more perfect time because I needed to restock on some favorites, but there were also a couple new teas for this fall collection that I was really excited to try, and at 30% off I had nothing to lose. You know, if I didn't like them, if I loved them, it was a perfect time to buy. I also did a separate order, which you're going to be seeing 2 holiday items as well as another tea item, and I just decided to combine them all into one haul video. So if you're ready, make sure to grab your own delicious cup of tea. I of course am enjoying my favorite autumn tea, pumpkin pie matcha. It's so delicious. A big virtual cheers to you guys, and let's get started. Speaking of pumpkin pie, of course I had to restock at 30% off on pumpkin pie matcha, and let's be honest, I'd be restocking on this even if it wasn't available at 30% off. I have it every single day, often twice a day during the autumn season. It is my favorite go-to matcha during this time of the year. It is delicious. If you are a fan of gingerbread matcha, you will love pumpkin pie matcha. It's so good. I also stocked up on some more matcha teas that have more of a fall vibe to them, including vanilla chai. I haven't made this one yet, but I'm very excited to give it a try. And I also restocked up on some maple matcha, which I absolutely love. If you're a fan of maple, I highly recommend it. It is a delicious latte. Now, next up is one type of tea that you have seen probably in so many haul videos. It's a go-to tea of mine. It's also one that I love to have pretty much every day. It is called Organic the Skinny. And it's an oolong tea, and there's ginger in it and a bunch of other delicious things, like a little bit of hint of orange to it. And it's really good for digestion, but I also just am obsessed with the taste, and I love ginger, so highly recommend if you're a ginger fan. Now, you guys saw this in my last DAVIDsTEA haul video, and I absolutely loved it, so I decided to get more, basically at 30% off. Why not? So I stocked up more on baked apple chai. This is an autumn tea. It is autumn in a cup. It is such a comforting tea. It's a fruit infusion, so there's no caffeine in it, so you can have it in the evening on a rainy night, watching a movie, reading a book. So good. Now, a new tea that I decided to try is called the Cranberry Gingerale, and as mentioned earlier, I'm a huge fan of ginger tea, and I love cranberry, so I was very excited to give this one a try. This is a yapin tea, which has apple, ginger, hibiscus, cranberry, sweet flavoring, and tart cranberry flavoring. And I decided to make this tea for you guys and taste test it for the first time. I did 1 perfect scoop of this tea, and I steeped it for a total of 5 minutes in my beautiful confetti Nordic mug from DAVIDsTEA. I love this mug. It is so pretty. The color of this tea is beautiful. I also think this tea would be perfect during holiday season too, because cranberries, ginger, you got the Thanksgiving vibes, but you also got the Christmas holiday season vibes to it as well. And I absolutely love it. I'm actually drinking it as I'm doing this voiceover. If you love ginger, if you love cranberry, if you love fruit type teas, highly recommend it. It's so delicious. The ginger just has like a lovely taste to it. Now, another tea that I hadn't tried before, but I was very curious about, since it's an oolong tea, and it's like a banana bread tea. Like, what? It sounds so good. So I decided to pick this up and give it a try. So it's called Banana Bread Chai. Inside it, you have apple, oolong tea, bean peel, artificial flavoring of banana spice. You have clove stem, banana, cinnamon bark, walnut, and stevia extract. Now, I did 2 scoops, like perfect spoons of this. In hindsight, I wish I did 1 scoop. I just found it a little too strong. I haven't had a chance to remake this because I'm traveling currently, but when I go ahead to go make it again, I think I will try 1 scoop. And I did steep it for 4 minutes. So I just found it a little strong in flavor, so I can't say like it was a tea that I absolutely love, but I feel like it has so much potential because it has so many things I like in it. So I'm gonna try making it again. I'll tell you guys on my Instagram at Fashion Storyteller my stories if I end up falling in love with this tea, because I feel like it has potential. I think I shouldn't have done the 2 scoops. I think 1 scoop would have been enough. Now, the last 2 items I have to share with you are from the DAVIDsTEA Holiday Collection. They were from a separate order with Organic the Skinny. I had a coupon code to use to save some percentage off, so I had to do it. And I got the 24 days of matcha and the 24 days of tea. DAVIDsTEA countdown to Christmas, advent calendars, countdown to the holidays. I am thrilled. I'm so excited. I have been doing this since I think 2011, I believe. It might even be 2012. I've gotten a calendar every single year and I'm very excited for this year's. And I love that they started doing matcha ones a couple years back. They're so delicious too. So that's everything I picked up from DAVIDsTEA. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this video. I'd love to know which tea you would love to try first, or if you have a favorite, which one is your favorite? Please let me know. I will have the names of the teas as well as the DAVIDsTEA mugs that I had in today's video listed in the description bar of these videos with links. As you guys know, I am an affiliate for DAVIDsTEA, so some of those links will be affiliate links, which means I do earn a small percentage of the sale if you decide to purchase one of the items. A huge thank you in advance if you guys do use those links. It really does help me out a lot and it means so much. Anyway, you guys, I wish you a magical, wonderful rest of your day, a big virtual cheers, and I hope you have a great rest of your week. I will see you in my next video. Bye for now and take care.